In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect script fonts in Cricut Design Space. The first method uses just Cricut Design Space, and the second, which I prefer, uses an app called FontLab Pad. Okay, so for the first method, all you have to do is add the text and change it to the script font. Then, with the text layer selected, click Ungroup. This will make each of the letters into its own layer. Then you can click, drag, and connect each of the letters one by one to connect them. What I don't like is that it can take some time and there's definitely room for error. So now I'm going to teach you the second method. I'm going to open up FontLab Pad, click File, Open Installed, and then choose my script font. In this case, I'm using a font called Georgia Script. I'm going to type my text. I can change my font size, which you don't really need to do. I'll show you why later. And you can also adjust additional spacing and settings if you want. So from there, I'm going to export and save, and then go back to Cricut Design Space. I'm going to upload it to Cricut Design Space and then select it to drag and drop into my project. And then from there, I can resize within the app. What I like is that it uses the special characters, like here the L's are slightly different from each other. You can also notice the same thing about the T's. This method is also faster and the letters are always perfectly connected.